it.
How about 5 for all of it then? We're looking at 6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 for all.
That'll be good?
That'll work.
All right, let's do it. I'll give you a bunch of ones here.
Got a body cam on?
5, 6. Jeez. Bilbo.
What is the biggest size of little
Bilbo.
No, I have some that don't fit, but I do. She's in a size 6 shoes too, and I see you got the 5s in here. Yeah.
How much are your shoes? How much are your boots over there?
That one, 25 for the them.
25 for the boots?
Only those people.
Okay.
But if you want to make an offer.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Is this your stuff?
Yeah.
How much are you asking on the?
Oh, some of them are Monster
Some are
High.
Monster High and some are
Ever After High.
Ever After
and
High.
Then that one's a My Little
And this
Pony.
is Monster High, right?
Yeah.
What are you asking on the whole box?
The whole box?
Uh-huh.
Se la voy a poner cuando no esté.
And with the stands too?
Yeah.
No se siente.
Like a good...
Huh?
Like a good 11.
11?
Usually each doll is like $2,
Uh-huh.
but I feel like just giving it for like 11 for the whole box.
Okay. And this is all Monster High stuff.
Yeah, that's like the Monster High School.
Wow.
And then
That's amazing.
with the
Uh-huh.
accessories.
Okay. And is this is a separate deal here?
Yeah, those were separate.
Okay. What are you asking on these two? Is it because that's a Monster High, like a beauty thing, right? And
Yeah.
Okay. What are you asking on those two?
Like $2.
Okay.
Like each $2.
Okay. So I want to say 15. So
Yeah.
15 bucks. All right. Let's do that. Let's do that for sure. I have a 20. Do you have 5? I think I have a 20. Yeah, I have a 20 in here somewhere. I should probably take that whole thing, but I think I'm going to pass on that. I'll just take these two out of here for you.
Look at the little crispy foods, like Matty Flats.
I appreciate it. Good luck to you.
Honey, how much are these?
Like the whole bag, I think $4.
How much?
For $1.
Really nice.
I would like that.
Ma'am, I'd offer you 25 for both pair total. Would you do that?
25 for both?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because the other one was giving like 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. You have a great
Okay.
day.
You need a bundle.
No, I'm good. I appreciate it.
Ah, hijo, se llevan las
Do you know what kind of skins these are by any chance? That's an interesting
know.
one. I've never
Yeah,
seen that
that
one. That
one.
looks like snake of some sort, but
No, I think something like
I don't know.
a sea creature or something like that. I don't know how to say it in English.
uh-huh. Awesome. Thank you.
Oh, here, the bells. The bells comes with
Oh,
it.
that comes with the, oh, okay.
Yeah,
Awesome. With these
yeah.
ones. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a good day. I just realized I came from that sale and didn't record it. Turned it off instead of on. So I got all these hats for a total of $5. Snap on, that one's brand new. And then some multiples here, these are new. And then this sweet cat bag as well. A duffel, that thing is cool, $5. Bought these for my booth. I'm kind of expanding my media. So $1 a piece for those 2 little towers. And brand new Nike Virginia Tech team gear for $2 total. Awesome. Hello.
How you doing, sir?
Pretty good. How much for your dolls?
50 cents for the small ones, $1
Okay.
for bigger.
All right. Well, I'll take the Moana doll.
Okay.
50 cents, you said?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You want to get it, kiddo?
Here you go. You got some video games back there?
What do you
There
think?
you go. Enjoy.
Yeah, it's not a huge selection.
Call of Duty. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Wow, lots of stuff.
Where that was coming from.
How much are the stuffed animals?
Depends how many you deal.
How about
Well,
this?
I'd probably let that go for about
Rio,
$2.
I see.
Probably this is discolored, needs a real cheap to get.
Well, there's 3 of them here that I'd like.
Okay. I do $2
Okay, I can do that.
because they're, you know, I saw which ones you got.
Oh
there.
yeah.
And they outgrew them.
Winston Cup.
One of them when the movie was out. And
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm not sure that there is
That
any
it?
size I need.
Okay.
Just,
All
All right.
people
just
from
asking.
Yeah.
Because I don't know.
And I'll include that in the price if you want something else.
Jeez, okay. Thank you.
Oh, see you guys.
Uh-huh. How you doing? I'm pretty good. How much on your Harry Potter hat there? $1? I think I'll grab that. Just
It's the only thing I could part with Harry Potter. Did you see my license plate?
I did not. I'll have to check it out when I leave there. There you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. You have a good day.
See, thank you.
Rubbermaid, $5. Wow, a lot of stuff.
Mackenzie. Mackenzie. This would look cute on you.
Fanatics.
This shirt's cute too.
Proline.
You see anything? Looks cute. I don't know if I can dress the hose or sweater. Ay, marapa. Usaste, lleva marapa.
What?
Oh, it's like a toad.
Kind of a cool door knocker. There you go. It's 9. I got 3 of them.
Okay,
Thank you. $10. Hi, how you doing?
Good, you?
Pretty good.
You a golfer?
Yeah, from time to time.
I got some golf balls over here.
All right, I'll check them out.
Cheap.
How much you got on these?
These
$1?
books?
Yeah.
I think they're $1 a piece.
$2 for all of them?
Yep.
All right, let's do it.
I got a pile more over here.
Oh yeah, well,
Take
maybe I
one
should have
there.
made you a better deal.
Well, That's
There's
the lowest I
two,
can go.
and I'll check those out over there.
You buying
I'm
the
just
books.
kidding.
Okay,
It's fine.
great, thank you.
For the anchor, and I'll grab those. Ah.
Good. How y'all doing?
Puzzle. How much on your puzzles?
That one is pretty much brand new. I would have to have, like to have 4 on that one.
Okay.
But all the single ones are 2.
Okay. These
All these books quarter-piece.
quarter piece. Okay. How much on your blades?
$4 or 2 for 7.
Well, I'm out. I need another one, so I might as well do it, huh? $4, 2 for 7. I'm gonna do that one. Alright, I'm gonna give you 4 for that.
Kayak anchor.
Oh yeah. I say I know it's for
Window, yeah.
Window,
way, yeah.
of course those old guys know that.
Yeah, a friend of mine.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Cookies. 50 cents for a Disney trip. I love it. Pressure cooker. How much you got on this?
We'll do $10.
Okay.
How much on the clothes?
Shirts are $2. Pants, it just depends.
Hi. Your mouth is red.
I'm cat.
Coles. Build-A-Bear. And classic Mickey. How much on the
Mrs.
milk? Boots. On the plush?
We'll take $2.
$2. Oh,
Hi, Morgan.
You want to go with it?
how much on your boots?
They're right here at 9.5.
Uh-huh.
75.
Okay. Steal a couple cookies from y'all.
Where do you want to go?
I get, what do I get? 1 cookie or 2 cookies?
How many do you want?
Well, I want 1.
Okay, you can have 1.
50 cents for a cookie? There you
Yes,
go.
thank you.
That dinosaur, I believe,
Coles
all
Gator.
those are 50 cents.
Okay.
You said you have twins?
I do, a boy and a girl though. And yeah. Alright, what do you have, Josh? Oh, thank you.
I hope they don't argue over.
But yeah, they both like everything. So here, go do that now while they're going crazy in the car.
And I don't know if you need a prom dress or anything like that. Thank you.
I don't need a prom dress.
Well, no, I'm sorry. I was just talking about
I know
in
you are. I'm
general.
just teasing.
The little.
Some people walking away with nothing. That's never good. At least there's a lot of stuff to look at. Some baseball gloves.
$1.
Tom Seaver. Oh, Tom Seaver. That's great. So. Walkman, Sony Walkman. Wonder if that thing works. Give it a shake. Ooh, just cleaning. No headphones. But you know me, I'm still gonna buy it. Park VHS.
You're good. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Do you need a bag?
Entonces pague ya.
¿Ese también? Sí, es lo mismo, dice.
Sí.
Ah, bueno. ¿Este también?
Let's say 2.
Juan, me habían dicho, diga.
Juan, sí.
1.
Negotiate.
Yeah.
Field and Stream.
Yep.
Yeah, with that.
Thank you. Yeah, just got like, we had like slam all of a sudden. And then I got the 2 ladies that don't speak English. I'm like, oh my God. Oh, we got that. Bag of tools here? Okay. All right, I'll tell you what, $3 for all of it.
Is there a window fan in there?
Yes, there is.
How much for?
Let me see, she sold, hey Patsy. What did you sell the other fan for? 5? 5, yeah.
You told me to.
What you got here?
All right, what you got? Let's see here. Old Sony radio.
Yeah, that one's a little,
That goes with that.
one's a little corroded.
Yeah, it's a little corroded. Yeah, clean that up. It's all work. 50 cents for that.
5 for that.
Okay, so what?
How about 5 for all of it then? We're looking at 6, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, 5 for all.
That'll be good?
that'll work.
All right, let's do it. I'll give you a bunch of ones here.
Got a body cam
5,
on?
yeah. I always have a body cam.
That's not a bad idea this day and age. Are you a police officer? Or?
No. This is what I do. I go around buying stuff at garage sales. Thank y'all. I appreciate it.
You don't usually see civilians with body cams for that. This day and age, it's probably a smart idea to have one on.
All right, thank y'all. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Hey, I just want to say thanks for joining us out there today. We found a few good sales and bought a few good things for the antique booths and for eBay. So if you want to see what we're selling this stuff for in here in the Commonwealth cabin, come on over to the Commonwealth Flipper channel and check us out over there. If you liked the video today, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.